Hey guys, Scuba Vacuum Collector and Fixer, and this video is for Peter, or Awesome Vacuums / Vacuum Guy 12 on YouTube. Feel free to check out his channels and subscribe to him. Anyway, I've got this mower for him. It's a Toro recycler with a 149cc Kohler engine. See, it looks like a really nice mower. It's in great condition, but the engine's bad on it. It's been serviced, and I don't know, the engine's going. It's knocking. It's doing all this crap. It's surging, everything. But you wanted it, Peter, and so here it is. You wanted me to make a video, so I'll show it to you. So, like I said, it's real clean. It's great condition. Everything about the mower is good except for the engine. The blade is freshly sharpened. Bag is has typical wear. It's pretty good shape though. It's got a brand new spark plug. It's got the bagger and the discharge. So there's that. Not much else to say about it except it's in good shape. Just needs a new engine. That's all. I'll start it up just because why not? It doesn't sound good though. Yeah. Sometimes it sounds good and sometimes sounds pretty bad. Like I said, you can mess with this mower. I don't need it because I have my Honda now. So thanks for watching. I'll have more up soon.